Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do this 3D balcony, so let's go. First I decided to download a texture picture to make the ground, so you can see it's like a real ground. I was gonna put a light layer, but I changed my mind because you can't really see it. So if you want, you can put one, but the camera is more important, so I just take the camera. Then I flipped it to the ground, yeah. Then I duplicate it twice, but to make things really fit, I flipped it again so that you can see there's no seam. Then I duplicate it again, and I wanted it to have a little shape, like not just a rectangle, so I added another layer and moved it like I wanted. I put it behind so that you can't really see it, and then I tried to again fix the seams so that it looked good. It's not perfect, but it's something that you can tell. I struggled a bit because I thought it was too small, but I ended up just leaving it like that. Great, so now our ground is finished. We only need to make the fences. So you could choose an image from Pinterest, remove the background and add it, but I didn't find one that I liked. So I'm just gonna make it myself, and so it can teach you more things also. So I just make little rectangles, like the fence I want to do is just little rectangles. By the way, I hid all the other layers so that I can really focus on my fence. And so I had my first single fence. I duplicated, and I wanted to have little borders, so then I flipped it, and again I tried to put it right where I want it to be. And then I made it bigger because the fence is not gonna be this small, so here we go. And I made one on the bottom too, so that it's symmetrical, obviously, you know. And then you only have to duplicate your layers and space them out like you want to. I think I checked, I used the calculator, I think I added 240 in each. That's why I'm lagging a bit here. But on the other side I didn't really check because sometimes there's negative things and it's annoying to count. So I just did it randomly and hoped it looked good. It's not that important. I sped it up because it's just moving layers around, then you then select all this and duplicate it. I then fix the top part because as you can see it's not in the right position. And then technically you're finished, but I didn't really like the design, so I changed it a bit. I added another thing on top so that would go down, but you will see I ended up putting it on the top. I think it's prettier. Okay, and then when you see I put the thing I wanted to, but I thought the fence was a little too big for my liking, and this is optional because you make the fence you want to. So I added the null layer to connect everything but the top part, and as you see I made the anchor point lower, then connected everything to the null layer, and then decrease the scale like you can see it then. And then I deleted the null layer because I didn't need it anymore, and the things stay in place. So that's a really great tip if sometimes you want to move something but not have a null layer staying. I do that a lot. And then my fence is finished. You can add maybe put on the outside put something taller so that you have little corners, I don't know, but I liked it like that, and you see it will like the seams, there will not be seams anywhere. So then to connect it with the ground we made earlier, I just decreased a bit the scale, and then I clipped it. I then moved the anchor point and just decreased the scale to make it fit perfectly, and as you can see, it's perfect. Then I just duplicated and moved it like in all the other places I need it to be. Okay, then I'm gonna say the tricky part, because all of this is quite easy, excuse me, but there's some adjustment to make here. So because the fence is too big or too small, you'll see, it doesn't fit perfectly on the ground. I mean, it depends on the height of the ground you choose, but I was trying to put it like this, but it didn't look great, so I just duplicate it again, make it fit here, and I think I trying to think a bit, and I ended up choosing to mask it, so you'll see, but I masked it, repositioned the mask correctly, and then removed all the parts that went onto each other. And boom, perfect. I just noticed it's not perfect, but you'll not see that in the final animation. Like, it's okay if sometimes things are not perfect, because you only see them for 1 second and nobody will notice, and even if they notice, like, it's fine. Then I just selected the 2 layers we just made and duplicated there. And then for the little part, at first I tried to duplicate this one, but I thought it was a bit more smart to choose the one with the mask, so I duplicated it, inverted the mask, but you can also just move it and like finishing it correctly, because it goes away. I don't really know how to say that. Boom, and then you duplicate it again and put it on the other side. You can do like corners, I told you earlier, by doing like rectangle boxes and put it on at every corner, but I thought it was pretty like that, so I just left it. Okay, congrats, have your balcony, but the thing we're really here for is the 3D movement. So I know a lot of people using cameras, like my camera is just in the background and the null layers are doing everything. So I added the null, connected every single thing to it, and just move it like you want it to move. At first I wanted to be at the end of the balcony with a little things, I don't know, I made. And you choose a position, then move the rotation like X and Y. I didn't move the Z position because I thought it would look weird, so I just did it like that. And then you move it again, so it depends on which part of the balcony you want to go in. I just wanted to go on the front, but you can turn the Y rotation a little more to be on the sides or which way you want to go. I added a scale also, because I thought it would look like I needed to shrink it a bit, but I didn't want to use position again. So yeah, then you add your graphs. I always use page graph, as you can see and know if you're watching other videos or edits of mine. But yeah, so you can do whatever graph you want, and then it's done. Boom! It really looks difficult at first, like seeing all the 3D shapes, but really it's simple, and congrats if you did it!